So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove app from Samsung TV. If you have the Samsung Smart TV and you want to remove unwanted application from your TV, it is quite easy. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step procedure on how you can remove installed application from your Samsung TV. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit the Samsung application page to return to the home page. While on the home page, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you scroll to apps. This is apps, and then select it. Once you selected that, you'll be taken to your Samsung apps page. And on the app page, you need to select the settings icon at the top right. Select that. And once you selected that, you see all applications you have installed on your Samsung TV. And you should be able to see your Samsung TV storage capacity, what you've used, and what you have left, and whether your Samsung TV application update is set to auto. Now, if that is done by you, then you can just search through by navigating through the application you have on your Samsung TV like this, and then select the application you want to remove or delete from your Samsung TV. Once you selected the app, you should see the application menu including delete, lock, or move, or reinstalled, view details. But since you're interested in how you can actually delete app on Samsung TV, you should select the option to delete. So once you selected delete, you see, do you want to delete this particular application? Then navigate to delete and press the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you should say deleted successfully. This selected application will be uninstalled from your Samsung Smart TV and it will be removed. So this is how to delete app on Samsung Smart TV or Samsung TV. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.